Do you want to make an extra income in this year 2026? I'm sure your answer is yes. Welcome guys to my channel. My name is Partner. And today is not a cutting and sewing tutorial, but rather I'll be introducing you on how you can make that extra money in this year 2026. And DTF printing is the way out. With DTF printing, you can achieve a whole lot. DTF printing is that method of branding and customization where you can actually brand a whole lot of items ranging from fashion items like your tote bags, your fashion crafts, your fashion accessories, your t-shirts, your garments, your souvenir materials. The list is ended. And believe me when I say the market is huge and the demand is on high. Yes, the market is indeed huge. And what have I done to actually make this very easy? I have done all the work, put everything up in a class where you can get these informations and be well equipped to start your own business. With DTF printing, I love it so much because you do not have to break a bank. Yes, I said it. You don't have to break a bank to start it. You can actually start small and you don't need that perfect space. You can start from wherever you are. There is no pressure, and this is what a totally beginners friendly training. At the end of this video, you get to see the flyers and all the necessary information you need, especially the course outlines, things to expect. But that is just a tip of the iceberg because this class is well detailed. If you know me, you know my content, you know that I'm all about details. And in this class, I'm going to practically be holding you by your hands, taking you through all step by step for you to get every single information and ideas that you need to be able to start this business of yours, to start earning that extra income, and of course to start building a big brand for yourself. So please guys, go ahead and go through the details on the end of the flyers, and of course you register. Feel free to share this information to a lot of people that will find this helpful, because trust me, people are definitely not aware of this, and you sharing this, you'll be doing them a favor to get this information. Thank you guys as always. If you're my subscribers here, I want to say a very big thank you. And if you're new here, I also want to appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, share, and of course, I'll see you on my other videos. A cutting and sewing tutorials will coming up. I have a lot of it already on this channel in case you're not aware, and of course more content about DTF printing. And one thing I forgot to mention, with DTF print, you can decide to focus on one particular field and still build something big for yourself. I hope you are ready to make that extra income, and I'm here for you guys to take you through all like I said, and trust me when I say you will not regret it, because every penny you pay is worth it. See you guys on the other side.